Welcome you all to the Civil Lecture Note channel. So in this channel we are regularly updating the job information for the engineering streams. So in this video also we are making the job information for the civil and electrical engineer. So we are going to discuss about the vacancies which is came from Tata Projects. So before going on to the video, if you are watching this video for the first time in our channel, please click on the subscribe button to get the regular updates regarding job information or any other lectures. So we first go through the post which is came from the social media. So this was the post which is came from Tata Projects. So for civil, mechanical and electrical and planning and safety engineers, they required the vacancies related to these departments. For the civil engineer, execution, QA and QC, building planning job roles are being currently available, and for mechanical, piping, QA, QC and building, and even for electrical and planning and safety engineers also there is a lot of vacancies. So we are going to discuss especially for the civil engineer, but along with we will also see what are the vacancies are being listed for the other streams. So let's we move on to their official website. So here also they have mentioned their website, so we choose that now. So you can see this is their official website. So in this, directly go to the people section. In bottom you can find the careers. So if you click on this careers, so you will open up with the page like this. Here you can see for the engineering you can see the vacancies for every engineering streams. So you can filter it like this. So in select discipline section you can select which section you need it. Either it can be a civil, electrical or IT, even whatever you want. So if you are not selecting that, you can see all the vacancies which is been presently available in the Tata Consulting Engineers Limited. So by that you can see that electrical engineering vacancy and safety engineer vacancy, civil engineering, and then electrical and instrumentation, and then electrical, mechanical. So similarly you can see there are lot of vacancies for every streams, right? So these are the vacancies which is came from the Tata Consulting Engineers Limited for the every engineering stream. So I am going to discuss only about the civil, right? So I will select the civil. So you can see that there is at presently there are 10 number of vacancies. So first is safety engineer with industrial project experience. They are required, and you can see that they need the candidate with the experience of 6 years. So the work location going to be in Pune, and the last date for applying this post is 20 April 2022. So you have some long gap, but please apply it soon as possible. And then civil engineers, similarly industrial or retail outlet experience, same number of experience, Pune, and the last date has been shown here. And PMC civil building engineer, it is 4 to 8 years of experience is required, and here they have mentioned for 6, but the minimum experience required is 4. So that has been mentioned here, and the work location going to be Pune, and it have the last date for 15th December. And then similarly for the next vacancy you can find out there is a for civil engineer with the 8 to 12 years of experience required, and same civil engineer for with the 8 to 15 years of experience, and PMC planning 8 to 12 years, hydropower design engineer, and then design hydropower. So you can see there is lot of vacancies which is been presently available in the Tata Consulting Engineers Limited. If you want to go through the job role, you can just click this like this. So you can find out the vacancy. You can find out the responsibilities and skills which are required for the job. So at bottom section and top section you will see like a tab that is apply for this position. So if after reading all these things and you are okay with this job, then you can click on for the apply for this position, where you can go ahead with the further process. So I think this information might be useful for you. Here I have also mentioned you that we can see that there is a vacancy for civil, mechanical, electrical, planning, safety. So you can share this information to your friends also, by that they also get benefited. So in next video I come up with some other information that might be also useful for you. So to know that and you need to continue with our channel, please click on the subscribe button. So we will catch up in next video. Thank you and bye.